Guys, you're back. Okay, so what's up? What's up? What's up? To a brand new video. Today's video we are gonna play Don't Press the Button Free Videos too. Now let's head in. If you want to if you want to friend me on Roblox, this is me and my name on Roblox is Mr. Alex Army. So you can find me. Let's poop on this girl really quick. Let's go on this fake Sammy. Going on that guy. Shahani. Oh my. Oh, I was getting attacked. Wow. Okay, guys, we are gonna go to the clouds. Okay, maybe already reached it. Alright, I'm here. Okay, okay. There is good to be first. I could get some free up there. Let's continue. Okay, easy peasy lava lava. I think people fell for that. I need to go. Car girl. Oh guys, this is much easier that I told you. And the first I told you, guys, you've seen my last video that I was keep getting respawning because I was totally a winner, but I was not in that yellow thing. And that's the reason of that. And I hope you didn't comment. I never check my comments. And I got a comment called from an unknown, from somebody, and they sent me, I'm your biggest friend.
Green light. Red light.
Please not me.
Green light. Red light.
Why?
Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light.
Go.
Red light. Green light.
Again.
Green light. Red light.
With the mercy.
Green
Right.
light. light.
Oh, keep
Green light.
moving.
Red light. Green light. Red light.
Iran,
Green light.
Pakistan, Afghanistan,
Red light.
Mama, the what
Green light. Red light.
Guys, I just want this guy to share.
Green light.
Nah, bro. Find the golden log. It's right in front of me. Oh no. I will let Brooke think that we believe. I want to go to sleep forever. Ooh. Kill this guy. I'm gonna put this in a little bowl. Let's go! Guys, I'm not gonna do my face reveal. I wanna do my face reveal when I grow up. Where's the bucket? Take it. Take the water! On this asteroids. There are asteroids. Nowadays, guys, be safe. Guys, there are asteroids these days. So be safe. Survived. No. Guys, I will be back in a minute. Guys, I'm just back. Right. So we wait. Oh God. So guys, I don't know what to do. So guys, this was it for the video. Bye.